But then my aircon don't feel cool anymore. Is it just me? Maybe it's broken, Joe. This is an intro into most of Ellie's fanfics. Oh my god. I'm getting to the point of being so hot. It's dripping. I'm dripping. And I have this sweat drop it's dripping into my mouth. It's so hot. I just want to take off the covers and reveal this sticky, sweaty face underneath his mask because it's so disgusting. Oh my god, his mask is so hot. Can I please just take it off? Oh my god. I'm gonna get home already. Dripping wet into her own mouth. Yeah. I'm so wet, it's dripping into my mouth. Gross. Sweet, salty. Jeff Sai, hello. So hot voice. Yeah, right? Do I sound like I'm hot? Because I am. I'm so hot right now. Should we be paying for this per minute? Yes. Please. Donate. Follow. Subscribe to Alligato. Twitch.tv/Alligato. That's ELLIEGATO. Make sure to follow and subscribe. Be appreciated if you pay per minute. That would really help me a lot. Thanks. Upper lip sweat. Hi, Arkham Valerius. Oh. There's a 60-minute all-you-can-drink sake place, if you remember that. Greece, Alcon Valerius, you're in Greece. Wow, nice. All you can eat for $13 and all you can drink for $15. Seems like they're open again. Ellie has mouth as a blind out of ponytail, also burping. What would be the perfect outdoor clothing idea for rain? Naked. Being naked. Perfect. Put your mouth down. Do they test you on entry or just online questionnaire? For Greece. I should go to Hub. Oh, I'm so tired. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Shabu shabu food and drink. Everything for 300 yen. We will be waiting for you at will. What? Tofu 300 yen. Buta tetsunabe 300 yen. Family and children okay. It is a common people reasonable shop where common Japanese people come often. Kichiri 300 yen plus tax. They have an English menu and they will be waiting for you at will. I don't know what that means, to be waiting for someone at will. I will wait for you at will. What does that mean? I entered Grace for business, just some questions when entering. Huh. Looking for $13, then they add soap to everything. Oh. Wagashia. One day Bess's mom went to the store and she never came back, but Poppy's dad was still there. Fake news. No. Akon Valerius went to Greece. Questioner only. It's true your dad stayed, didn't he? Did your dad not stay? Where's your dad? Bobby, where's your dad? Why should get food? Yeah, I just really want to put stream down and charge and get out of the hot stickiness that I'm in. Where's my? I'm here. Oh, what a twist. We love cheese. We love cheese. We love cheese. But it doesn't look that nice. Okay. Seriously, just want to go. Ramen. Okay, cool. Mocha flowers. Puppy 2 is dead. So close. Come on, I want to go home. Wanted Buffy 2. Six-minute walk. Almost. Come on. My shoulder hurts so much. What is love? It is a word. Love is a word. Vroom. Oh yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. Hurry up, let's go home. Please, I'm dying. I need to cool. I need to take off my face mask. Why are we so heavy? Because I couldn't charge the live view yesterday. So, I forgot to charge the live view yesterday. So I had to bring both batteries. So it's very, very heavy. Too much takoyaki. The smaller the pee-pee, the louder the vroom. Love encompasses a range of strong and positive emotional and mental states, from the most sublime virtue or good habit the deepest interpersonal affection and to the simplest pleasure. Huh. So yes, but I've witnessed people entering Greece from other countries than Switzerland. Haven't asked anyone, sorry. There's a list of countries.